Would you like to know what movement is suitable for your HUD and your game style? In this video, I teach 3 types of Y movements that you can use according to the number of fingers you play with or customize your settings. The first type is used for 2-finger players and 3-finger players, for which I will put their special HUD in the next videos. For this movement, without any additional movement and with the fastest running mode and with a high reaction, you just need to press the tactical sprint button in a certain order, so that you press this button before every movement and before changing your running direction. It will make you have a good movement, and in order to fill your tactical sprint and increase your reaction speed at the same time while you are looking for the enemy on the map, you open your scope in the corners and places where you think the enemy is. You can use slide and dolphin dive at the same time, but the speed of your engagement with the enemy will decrease due to the lack of canceling slide. But in the next 2 movements, which use almost the same method but with 2 levels of difficulty, we have to enter the settings. For an easier movement, you can set the weapon change button to the minimalist mode, but this movement can only be used with perk fast hand, and it won't bother you at the beginning of the Battle Royale mode when you don't have loadout. But the last movement, which is level 3, needs practice. You use the weapon switch button in the classic mode, and during the movement, either with 2 fingers or very quickly, you touch both weapons after hitting the tactical button, so that your weapon turns into a bug mode and your gun goes up and down. You can see the professional movement in the picture, of course. Because I didn't use this button, it's a bit difficult and it's just to show you. In both professional movements, be sure to hit the tactical sprint button before spamming the switch gun button to have good movement speed. You can find your suitable HUD combination by moving this button, but I have put movement techniques and secret tips and suitable classes in my previous videos about movement, so be sure to watch them and comment your opinion.
Pede pelo choque, mano.